Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are thinking of starting fresh with your PC, a factory reset is the way to go. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you have to click on this Windows menu and start button, and then click on the settings. So after coming on the settings, you can see there is an option called system. Now click on this. In the system settings, you can search here for the recovery, and if you don't found it, please write here recovery settings or recovery options. You can see there is option recovery options. Now click on this. Now you can see there are two options, reset this PC and advanced setup or is advanced startup. You just need to click here get started. Now click on this. You will find there is two options to reset your PC in Windows 10 or 11, which is keep my file and remove anything. If you think to remove all the information, all the files from your PC, then click this one. And if you want to reset your PC but you want to keep the information of your files, your personal information and everything, then click this one. So in this case, I'm not going to do this, so just click here cancel, and after clicking any one of between those two options, your PC will restart and it will take some time, but it will start with a fresh one. So this is how you can reset your PC in Windows 10 or 11. So if you think this video was helpful for you, please make sure you like the video and subscribe this channel for more tips. I will see you in the next video.